Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening Chrome settings so you don't waste time later. Make sure Chrome is up to date and that you know the DNS provider or custom resolver IP. This avoids backtracking. Open Chrome, click the three dots, choose Settings, then search for Security in the Settings box. Once done, scroll to the Security section. Make sure you're ready to change Secure DNS options and that you have permission on this device to apply network changes. Now you enable Secure DNS and pick a resolver so DNS queries go over HTTPS for privacy and integrity. In Security, toggle Use Secure DNS on, then choose a listed provider like Cloudflare or Google, or enter a custom resolver address if you have one. Make sure the custom entry uses a valid DOH URL or IP format. After selecting or entering the resolver, save changes and restart Chrome to ensure the new DNS is loaded and verified. Finish by verifying Secure DNS is working and know one troubleshooting step if it fails. Visit a DOH verification page or simply load multiple known websites. Chrome will indicate if DOH is active in security. If pages fail to load, switch Secure DNS back to automatic or system DNS and retry. This isolates whether the resolver is the issue. Make sure firewalls or network policies aren't blocking DOH. If you're on a managed network, confirm the administrator hasn't disabled encrypted DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.